So hi guys. So ngayon is magsosolve tayo ng problem sa Streba. So the problem is that for the pin connection shown in the figure, the allowable shearing stress in the pin is 140 MPa. And the allowable bearing stress between the pin at the plates is 320 MPa. So first question is determine the value of P without exceeding the allowable shearing stress in the pin. And pangalawang tanong, determine the value of P without exceeding the allowable bearing stress. So let's solve for the first question guys. So ito yung figure. Okay? So ito yung figure. Ngayon, yung question number 1 natin is determine the value of P without exceeding the allowable shearing stress in the pin. So meaning, i-consider muna natin yung shearing stress. So dito sa figure, ano ba yung masi-shared off dito? So based sa figure, yung masi-shared off dito is yung nandito. Tama ba? Yung nasa ilalim niyan. Yan. At saka ito. Okay? Yan yung masi-shared off yung sa ilalim. Ngayon guys, para masolve yan, madali lang naman yan, no? So the formula for shear stress is equal lang yun sa force over area. Eh ngayon, since kinoconsider natin yung shearing stress, yung ilalagay natin na stress dito is given naman, yung allowable shearing stress is 140. So yan yung ilalagay natin dito. So 140, and then yung force, yan yung hinahanap, which is yung P, lagay natin dyan yung P, over area. Ngayon, ano yung area yung gagamitin natin? Abay, syempre, yung gagamitin nating area is yung shearing area. Ito, no? Yung masi-shared off dyan, ito man yan, yung sa ilalim niya. So ano yan? Diba, ito lang din naman yan. Yung circle na yan, masi-shared off yan, diba? Yung bolt. So, yung area niyan is pi over 4 times the diameter of the bolt, which is 30 squared. Okay. So, may kulang pa guys, kasi nga, double shear man to, kaya mumultiply natin ito ng 2. So, anong value ng P? So, by cross multiplying, ito yung makukuha natin. So, 140 times shift over 4 times 30 squared times 2. And ito yung value ng natin. Ito yung value ng P without exceeding the allowable shearing stress in the pin. So 197.92. So 197.92 kilo Newton. So ito yung value ng P na kailangan natin para hindi mag-exceed sa stress na 140. Okay? Nakuha lang guys. At yung pangalawang tanong naman guys is determine the value of P without exceeding the allowable bearing stress. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng bearing stress guys? Bearing stress is ito yung contact between two separate bodies. So based sa figure natin, bodies natin ito, yung involved dito is yung bolt at saka ito, yung bakal na to, di ba? So pag hinila ko yung bakal na to, pababa, no? At amount P, mag-i-induce yung bearing stress. Okay, so paano kunin yung value ng P considering bearing stress naman? So para makuha yan, so same formula, stress, pero bearing na to dito, bearing stress is equal to P over area, no? Area na mabibear. Okay? So since given naman yung bearing stress, which is nasa problem 320, so yan yung ilalagay natin dito. So 320, tama? 320, so 320 is equals to P, no? Yun yung P natin. Ano yung area? Ano yung area na i-consider natin dito? So dalawa kasi yung mabibear dito guys, no? Mabibear. Ngayon, based sa figure, dalawa yung dito, no? Bearing area natin. Yung dito, yung sa area na to, at saka yung area na nasa ilalim nito. So para di na tayo mag-check both sides, ang i-consider natin is itong yung area na sa ilalim nito. Kasi bakit? Mas critical man to guys, no? Kasi 22 mm thick man siya. Di ba? Mas mabibear yan sa ilalim. Oh, alam ko iniisip niyo guys, no? Anong mas critical? Mas manipis yung 12 mm thick kaysa 22 mm. Okay? Manipis siya pero dalawa man yung mag-resist dyan, yung sa kaliwa at saka yung sa kanan. So pag pinag-add mo yan, 12 plus 12, 24. So mas maliit pa rin yung 22 mm thick. Kaya ito yung i-consider natin. So yung area niyan sa ilalim. So anong area niyan? So 30 yung diameter ng bolt, which is 30, saka yung thickness nito. Yung thickness na to, which is 22. So 22. So ano yung P? So by cross multiplying, so makukuha natin yung value ng P. That is just 320 times 30 times 22, which is 211,200 Newton, or in kilonewton, divide natin by 1,000. So that is just 211.2 kilonewton. So yan yung value ng P without exceeding the allowable bearing stress. Okay, so sulat natin. So 211.2 kilo Newton. So ano yung sagot? So So D yung sagot dito guys. So, naintindihan lang ba guys?